So in the previous homework assignment, you made a fixed width website for me, and this was common. It was common for people to make fixed width websites before tablets and smartphones became a more common media on which people would view websites. So what I indicated to you in the previous homework was that fixed width is not best practices, and what we want is adaptive web pages that will respond to or adapt to the user's device. So what we're going to do over the next sequence of videos is construct a web page that looks similar to the one that you see on the screen. And what makes this particular web page adaptive is that as you change the width of the page, it responds to that change in width. So what you can see here, if you watch the top where I've got the company logo, this is a fake company web page. If I had a business, this would be the business I would have. So I've got my logo, I've got my navigation, and what you can see is that as this gets closer to tablet width, the navigation is going to switch down below. And these images down here, these clickable icons that take you out to the different types of offerings that the business has, what you'll see is that those will adapt into a single column. And this is so that it will display better on a mobile device. So as I crunch this down, what I get is a design that changes based on the width of the page. This is an adaptive or responsive design. So what we're going to do over the next sequence of videos is implement this design, and we're going to do it in a series of steps. So to kind of give you an idea for what my plan is, we're going to first just lay out the HTML that we need for the content. So the first video will walk through, here's how we construct the HTML. So we'll have a nice ugly web page. And then we'll walk through with CSS, and each of these main features on the page will kind of code them out one at a time and get them to look the way that we want them to look. So we're going to break it into a sequence of videos similar to how we did the previous assignment with fixed width.